Good morning, students. I hope you all are fine at your home. Today we will start our next lesson. Lesson 14, Lines and Angles. You have studied about the line segment, rays in the previous class. Okay, here we will study lines and angle in more detail. So first is we will discuss some terms. Okay, whenever you will clear these terms, then your exercise will be very easy for you. So first of all, beta, pairs of angles. First is adjacent angles. Adjacent angles क्या होते हैं? Okay, if we look at the meaning, word meaning, adjacent जो एंगल साथ साथ तो होने चाहिए. Okay, but they have to satisfy these conditions. साथ तो होंगे, but ये condition भी उनको satisfy करनी चाहिए. Okay, then they will be adjacent. So two angles are called adjacent angles if they have, दो एंगल का adjacent होंगे. First condition is if they have a common vertex. उन दोनों एंगल का वर्टेक्स कॉमन होना चाहिए, एक वर्टेक्स कॉमन होना चाहिए उनका. ओके, अंडरस्टूड. सेकंड कंडीशन बेटा, दे हैव अ कॉमन आर्म. एक आर्म उनकी कॉमन होनी चाहिए. एंड नॉन कॉमन आर्म्स आर ऑन द अपोजिट साइड ऑफ कॉमन आर्म्स. और नॉन कॉमन आर्म्स बचे कॉमन आर्म्स के अपोजिट साइड पर होनी चाहिए. देन दे विल बी एडजेसेंट. ओके, सो तीन कंडीशन आ गई जब एंगल एडजेसेंट होंगे. इफ दे विल सेटिस्फाई दीज थ्री कंडीशन देन दे विल बी एडजेसेंट. फर्स्ट कंडीशन, दे हैव अ कॉमन वर्टेक्स. सेकंड कंडीशन, दे हैव अ कॉमन आर्म. थर्ड कंडीशन, नॉन कॉमन आर्म्स शुड बी ऑन अपोजिट साइड ऑफ कॉमन. ओके बेटा, सो लुक एट द फिगर. In that figure, look beta, we have angles AOC. आपके पास एक एंगल है AOC and other angle is BOC. दूसरा एंगल है BOC. Okay, now look at these angles. Are they adjacent? Now clearly beta, they have a common vertex. AOC, this your angle. BOC, this your angle. They have a common vertex O. Okay, vertex O is common. Vertex O क्या है इनका? Common है. Clear बेटा? Now check. They have a common arm. AOC. OC arm इस एंगल में आ रहा है. Second BOC. OC arm इस एंगल में भी आ रहा है. So OC is the common arm. OC क्या है? कॉमन आर्म. क्लियर बेटा? सेकंड कंडीशन इज आल्सो सेटिस्फाइड. फर्स्ट सेकंड यहां तक अप टू हियर सेकंड कंडीशन इज सेटिस्फाइड. लुक एट द नॉन कॉमन आर्म्स. व्हाट आर नॉन कॉमन आर्म्स? OA and OB. These are non common. They should be on opposite side of common arm. चेक करो, ये दोनों आर्म OC कॉमन है ना आपका, OC के अपोजिट साइड पर हैं. सो क्लियरली बेटा, दिस योर कॉमन आर्म. OA आर्म इज इन डाउन साइड ऑफ OC एंड OB आर्म इज इन द अपवर्ड साइड ऑफ OC. दोनों अपोजिट साइड पर होगी. सो सेकंड कंडीशन कंप्लीटली सेटिस्फाइड. ओके, अंडरस्टूड? Clear beta? So all the conditions are satisfied. That means these two angles, angle AOC, angle BOC are adjacent angles. Clear beta? Understood? So you have to check these three conditions: whether they have a common vertex, whether they have a common arm, and non-common arms are on the opposite side of common arms. If these conditions satisfy, then the angles will be adjacent. Okay beta? Now beta, look at angle AOB, complete angle ये वाला. this angle complete. Look at angle AOB, angle AOB and angle AOC, this angle AOC. Check are they adjacent or not? Okay, look at the figure. AOB, AOC, clearly they have a common vertex O. O is there, O is there. Is first condition satisfied. Vertex O is common. Check what about the second condition. One arm should be common. Look at the figure. AOB, AOC, AO arm is in the both angles. AO arm आपका दोनों एंगल्स में आया, so OA arm is common arm, and look at non-common arms. Are they on the opposite side of OA? Now beta in the figure, non-common arms in angle AOB and angle AOC. Non-common arms are OC and OB. Are they on the opposite side of OA? No. They are on the, look, OA is there and OC is there, OB is there. They are on the same side of OA. Opposite side पर नहीं है बच्चे, ये दोनों OC OB क्या है, OA के सेम साइड पर है ना. So second condition, non-common arms are on the opposite side of common arms. It's not satisfied. So second condition satisfied नहीं हो रही completely. Okay. So angle AOB and angle AOC are not adjacent. Are not adjacent. ये बेटा ये देखो ये साथ साथ तो थे, बट adjacent की condition satisfy नहीं हो रही थी. All the conditions completely. So they are not adjacent. Vertex तो common है इनमें. O is the common vertex. And arm, OA is the common arm. But non-common arms OC, OB are on the same side of OA. OA के same side पर हैं ये दोनों. Opposite side पर नहीं है. So AOB and AOC are not adjacent. Clear beta? Understood? Yes beta. Our next topic is linear pair. What are linear pairs? Two adjacent angles are said to be from a linear pair of angles if their non-common arms are two opposite rays. Okay, means linear pair first condition is that are two adjacent angles. Adjacent angles ही linear pair बनाएंगे. तो पहले तो वो दोनों adjacent होने चाहिए. Okay, two adjacent angles linear pair कब बनाएंगे? If non-common arms are opposite rays. Look at the figure. In this figure, beta two angles AOC, BOC. Clearly, they are adjacent because O is the common vertex, OC is the common arm, and non-common arms OA, OB are on the opposite side. एक इधर है OC के, एक इधर. Clear? So they are adjacent, and they form a linear pair. Why? Because non-common arms are opposite ray. Non-common arms कौन से हैं बच्चे? OB and OA. ये दोनों non-common है. ये देखो ये दोनों क्या है? एक दूसरे के opposite rays हैं. एक इधर जा रही है OB, OA इधर जा रही है. Clear? Understood? Understood बेटा? Non-common arms दोनों क्या है? एक दूसरे के opposite rays हैं. Okay, understood? So angle AOC and BOC form a linear pair. And sum of linear pair always equal to 180. अब देखो If I will add these two angles, then I will get this angle. अगर मैं AOC plus BOC करता हूँ, then I will get that angle, and this angle is equal to angle of straight line is equal to 180 degree. Clear? So sum of linear pair always equal to 180. Linear pair angles का sum always क्या होता है बच्चे? Linear pair का 180 sum. Okay? Understood? It doesn't mean that if the sum of two angles is 180, they will be linear pair. No. Okay? Suppose you have this angle, one angle is 50 and one angle is 100. Both are different. Both are not on a straight line. Both are different. Okay? Then suppose this is equal to 80 and this is equal to 100. Now their sum is 180. Okay? Their sum is 180, but they are different. One angle is there, one angle is there. PQR you can mark it. You can mark it L and N. Both are different. Okay? This is on the line MN. This is on the line PQ. Okay? Clear, beta? Understood? They are not on the same line, so they are not linear. Means अगर एंगल लीनियर पेयर है तो उनका सम ऑलवेज क्या होगा? 180 होगा. And if sum of angle is 180, then always they will not be linear pair. तो वो linear pair नहीं होंगे. Okay? Like they will be linear pair only if they will be on the straight line. Clear? And now look in that figure. P, O, Q, R. Are these two angles are linear pair? Are they form linear pair? No. They will not form a linear pair because the non-common arms OQ and OP, they are not opposite rays. Opposite नहीं है. Okay? Understood? OP इधर जा रहा है. This is going toward that side and OQ is going toward that side. If OQ will be there, ऐसे होता, then they will, okay, because they will be opposite. तब ये opposite हो जाते हैं. Now they are not opposite, then they are not form a linear. Clear बेटा? Yes बेटा. Next topic is vertically opposite angles. What are vertically opposite angles? बेटा, when two line segments intersect each other at a point, then they form four angles. जब दो लाइंस एक पॉइंट पर इंटरसेक्ट करती हैं, कट करती हैं, जैसे लाइन AB एंड लाइन CD, दे आर इंटरसेक्टिंग एट पॉइंट O. कहां पर कट कर गई ये दोनों लाइन? पॉइंट O पर. ओके बेटा? देन दे फॉर्म फोर एंगल्स. 1 2 3 4. फोर एंगल्स हो गए. देन व्हाट are vertically opposite angle in that figure? Angle 1 की opposite कौन सा होगा बच्चे? 2 होगा. And which angle is opposite to 3? 3 के opposite कौन सा होगा? Angle 4. So angle 1 के opposite बेटा angle 2 and angle 3 के opposite कौन? Which angle is opposite to angle 3? Angle 4. So angle 1 and angle 2, angle 1 2 3 4, they are vertically opposite angles. Vertically opposite angles. And beta, one important property of vertically opposite angles is they are always equal. Vertical opposite angles are always equal. Means angle 1 will be equal to angle 2 and angle 3 will be equal to angle 4. How can you prove it? Now beta, angle 1 plus 4 is equal to 180. 1 plus 4 is equal to 180 because they form a linear pair. Similarly, 2 plus 4 will also be equal to 180. They form a linear pair. Their right hand side is equal 180 180 that means left hand side will also be equal. So 1 plus 4 is equal to 2 plus 4. 4 is cancelled both sides. So beta angle 1 is equal to angle 2. Similarly, you can prove angle 3 is equal to angle 4. Clear beta? So vertical opposite angles are always equal. Now beta next is angles at a point. एक point पर जो एंगल बनते हैं. Look at the figure. We have a point O and a ray OA, OB, OC, OD. And angle 1, 2, 3, 4. They all angles are making at a point O. कहाँ पर बन रहे हैं सभी? Point O पर बन रहे हैं. And beta look, if I will add these angles, 1, 2 plus 3 plus 4, then what will be the answer? Now suppose I am starting from here, angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 3 plus angle 4. I reached at the same point, means this is a circle. Okay, and complete angle of a circle is equal to 360. Clear beta? Understood? So एक पॉइंट पर जितने भी एंगल हो, चाहे वो 4 हो, 5 हो, 6 हो, अगर वो एक पॉइंट पर है, then their sum will be equal to 360. Understood? And beta angle on the straight line, sum of angles on the straight line is always equal to 180. Straight line पर चाहे जितने भी एंगल हो, look, angle 1, 2, 3, they are on the straight line AB. They are on the straight line AB. Okay, then their sum will always be equal to 180. 1 plus 2 plus 3 is equal to 180. Angles on straight line. On straight line. Here beta, sum of angles at a point is always equal to 360, and sum of angles on the straight line is always equal to 180. चाहे वो जितने भी एंगल हो, whether they are 3, whether they are 4, whether they are 5, whether they are 2. Okay, understood beta? Yes beta. Next is complementary angles. What are complementary angles? If the sum of two angles is 90 degree, then they are complement of each other. अगर बच्चे दो एंगल का सम कितना आ रहा है 90 के इक्वल, then they are complementary angles. तो आप क्या बोलेंगे इनको complementary angles. For example, I have two angles, one of 30 degree, one of 60 degree. Check their sum. 30 plus 60 is equal to 90 degree. दोनों का सम 90 है. Okay, so they are complementary angles, 30 and 60. So they are complementary angles. Complementary angles. Okay, and one is said to be complement of other. Means 30 degree is the complement of 60. 30 को बोलेंगे complement of 60, and 60 degree is called complement of 30. And 60 का क्या होगा 30 का? 30 complement होगा 60 का, 60 किसका होगा 30 का. Then beta in the questions you have given the value of one angle, he will ask find its complement. For example, you have given angle 80 degree. He is saying find the complement of 80 degree. You know sum of what are complementary angles? You know. Okay beta. For example, he is saying to you find the complement of 80 degree. Okay, so you know very well what are complementary angles, whose sum is equal to 90. From these two angles, one angle is 80 degree, then other will be 90 minus 80, because दोनों का sum क्या है 90 है. So other angle will be 90 minus 80 is equal to 10 degree. In that way you can find the complement of any angle. If you have given one angle, then subtract it from the 90, you will get the other angle if they are complementary. Okay beta? Yes beta. Next topic is supplementary angles. Two angles are supplementary if their sum is 180 डिग्री। दो एंगल बच्चे सप्लीमेंट्री कब होंगे? जब उनका सम क्या होगा 180 के, जब उनका सम क्या हो 180 के इक्वल। फॉर एग्जांपल आई हैव टू एंगल्स 60 डिग्री एंड 120 डिग्री। Now 60 degree plus 120 degree is equal to 60 plus 120 is equal to 180 degree. Now their sum is equal to 180. So they are supplementary. So they are supplementary angles. Understood, beta? Now, and as like the previous, here 60 will be called supplement of 120. 60 is supplement of 120 degree, and similarly 120 degree is supplement of 60. 60 120 का supplement होगा, 120 supplement किसका होगा 60 का। And in your question he will ask, he will give you value of one angle, he will ask find its supplement. For example, if you have given angle 30 degree and your question is find the supplement of 30. Find the supplement of 30. So you know supplementary angles whose sum is 180. Now from both angles, one angle is 30, then other angle will be 180 minus 30. दोनों का sum 180 है, जिनमें से one angle 30 है तो दूसरा कितना होगा 180 minus 30 is equal to 150 degree. In that way you can find the supplement of any given angle. Clear, beta? Understood? This is all about the terms of these of exercise 14.1. okay, so carefully study these terms, then we will solve the exercise 14.1 with the help of these terms. Thank you.